Here's a little story I got to tell about one bad brother you know so well. It started way back in history with his dad and Debbie, then a young lady. They had a baby boy named Eric Skerback. Ever since then, he's had Justin's back. With shows like Nightsuckers and Terror with Truth, they got more swag than a snaggle has tooth. They broadcast from there to here. As you can tell, he's very sincere. So 30 years ago, Eric was born today, so now, yo, I can say, happy birthday! Yo, yo, happy birthday! All of us to you, happy birthday from all of us to you. Happy birthday, don't change your hairdo. Alright, enough with the corniness. Happy birthday, Eric.